Hi guys, happy Thursday. This is our last day of the week. After this, you can take the assessment and then check your answers and email us with your score. We are week 15, day 4. All right, this is multiplying a fraction by a whole number. Anytime you do that, you put your whole number over 1 and multiply across. 2 times 8, 16. 3 times 1, 3. That is an improper fraction. So we're going to divide to make it into a mixed number. 3 goes into 16. 5 times without going over, and you get a remainder of 1. So that becomes your numerator, and denominator is always the divisor. So your final answer is 5 1/3. All right, let me grab another color for my grid. Excuse me. I was not prepared this time. Okay, so 2 out of 3. There are 1, 2, 3 columns. 2 out of those 3 we're going to shade. And then you can see that there's, hopefully, yes, 10 rows across. We're going to shade 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's how your shading should look. We are going to do a division of whole numbers problem. So let's rewrite it. You might want to get a calculator out for this. It's okay. 34 can't go into 1, can't go into 18. How many times can 34 go into 187 without going over? That's what you might want to do on your calculator. It goes in 5 times. 5 times 34 is 170. When you subtract, you get 17. Bring down your 0. That's 170 again. Well, we already know that 34 goes into 170 exactly 5 times. 5 times 34 is 170, so you do not have a remainder. Your answer is just 55 wholes. All right, and then this is multiplying by powers of 10. You do not have to do long multiplication for this. With multiplication, you're moving your decimal to the right. So write the 1.9. You're moving your decimal to the right 3 times because the exponent tells you how many times to move it. 1, 2, 3. Add your zeros in. So it's 1,900. Now let's make sure that that answer makes sense. Before we had 1.9. That's like almost $2. What can you buy for almost $2? Not much. Maybe a piece of candy, right? At the gas station or a icy. All right, we multiplied and we made it bigger. Now we have 1,900. What can you buy for $1,900? A lot more than a piece of candy, right? So we know we did it correctly. Our final answer. All right, guys, that's it for this week. You can go ahead and take the week 15 assessment. We will post a video with the answers on the blog, and just check your quiz or have someone check your quiz and email us with what you got. Have a great long weekend. Bye, guys.